To add algebraic fractions, we need to have the same denominator. But let's first check our denominators. We have 1 minus n cubed. We can rewrite 1, that this is 1 to third power, so we will have difference of 2 perfect cubes in the denominator. And if I rewrite 1 to second power, I will have difference of 2 perfect squares in the numerator. So let me do this. We will have 1 to second power minus n square over 1 cube minus n to third power. We have plus, the rest we will copy. So this is equal. And now first I will use formula difference of 2 perfect squares. Let me remind you this formula. A square minus b square, this is equal a minus b times a plus b, and difference of 2 perfect cubes, a cube minus b cube, this is equal a minus b times a square plus ab plus b square. So now you will use this formula. In our example, a is equal 1, b is equal n. So we will have 1 minus n times 1 plus n in the numerator in the first algebraic fraction, and the denominator will be 1 minus n times 1 plus n square. And the second algebraic fraction we will copy. So this is equal. Now when we have multiplication, we can reduce 1 minus 1, 1 minus n and 1 minus n will be 1. And now 1 times 1 plus n is 1 plus n, and 1 times this whole expression will be the same expression, so this 1 plus n square. And the second we will copy, and because we have here n squared plus n and plus 1 is the same what we have here in the denominator, I can change and put first the number, next the n, and next n squared. And now you see that we have the same denominator. When we have the same denominator, we just add numerators. We copy the numerator and we add numerators. So it will be 1 plus n minus 1. So this is equal 1 and negative 1 will reduce, and we have 2n over 1 plus n square. This is my solution. We cannot reduce anything because we can not factorize n from the denominator, and here we have 2 times n. So this is my solution.